this morning to a thunderstorm outside. The lightning cracking, rain pounding like it's got something to hide. I pulled the blankets closer, tried to drift back asleep, but every boom and rumble shook me right off my feet. The thunder brought me back alive, electric in my veins. No more hiding under covers, no more playing it safe. I looked out the window and what did I see? Two little rabbits dancing wild and free, twirling in the yard, soaked through and through, splashing in the puddles like they haven't got a care to lose. And I thought, why not me? Why stay inside? Let's go out and join them, let the storm be our guide. Barefoot on the porch, rain hitting my face, I'm laughing like a kid in this wild, wet place. I run next door, knock loud on the wood. Hey neighbor, come on out, don't miss the good. Well, we're jumping up and down in the puddle so deep, splashing like children, no promises to keep. Water flying high, soaking every shoe. Two grown folks acting like we're only two, dancing in the thunder, letting it all pour down. No umbrella needed in this crazy little town. With the rabbits as our witnesses, we spin and we sway, turning stormy morning into the best kind of day. Come on, let the rain wash away everything that's heavy, everything that's gray. The sky keeps roaring, but we're roaring right back. Hearts pounding faster, and the lightning's crack. No worries, no plans, just this moment so bright. Two rabbits, two neighbors, dancing through the night. We keep on going till the storm starts to fade. Clouds rolling out like they're giving us away. But even as the sun peeks through the gray, we're still splashing puddles, still feeling there's a way. So if the thunder wakes you, don't pull the covers tight. Open up the window, step in